Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Windows Defender real-time protection on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your desktop is completely ready before proceeding with any changes. This ensures that all system processes are running smoothly and you won't encounter any interruptions during the configuration. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Locate the Windows Start menu icon and click on it to open the menu. When the Start menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Group Policy into this search field. As you type, Windows will start showing you relevant results. Press Enter on your keyboard to launch the local Group Policy Editor window. This tool gives you access to advanced system settings that aren't available through regular Windows settings. When the local Group Policy Editor opens, you'll notice the interface is divided into two main sections. Focus on the left side of the window where you'll see a folder structure with several options. Look for the folder labeled Administrative Templates and click on it. This will expand the folder and reveal additional subfolders beneath it. From these expanded options, locate and click on Windows Components. This folder will also expand to show you even more configuration options available within your system. Now scroll down through the Windows Components folder until you find Microsoft Defender Antivirus. This is where all the security settings related to Windows Defender are stored. Click on this folder to expand it and you'll see several subfolder options appear. Within these subfolders, locate and select Real-Time Protection. This section specifically controls how Windows Defender monitors your system in real time for potential threats. Once you're in the Real-Time Protection section, shift your attention to the right side of the window. You'll see a list of policy settings that you can configure. Look for the option that says Turn Off Real-Time Protection and double-click on it. A new configuration window will pop up with 3 radio button options. Click on the Enabled option. This might seem counterintuitive, but enabling this policy actually turns off the real-time protection feature itself. It's just how group policy settings work, where enabling the policy executes the action described in its name. After you've selected Enabled, click on the Apply button at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Then click OK to close the configuration window and return to the main Group Policy Editor. You can now close the local Group Policy Editor entirely. For these changes to take full effect, you'll need to restart your Windows 11 computer. Go ahead and restart your system now. Once your computer boots back up and you log back in, your Windows Defender real-time protection will be completely disabled. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Windows Defender real-time protection on Windows 11 using Group Policy Editor. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.